Long time no see.
What? Huh?
Long time no see.
What?
Long time no see.
Speak up, boy! I can't hear you!
Long time no see.
I can't understand your accent.
We can visit some friends.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Ladies and gentlemen, did you see it?
No!
Of course you didn't see it. Ever since I've been a reporter, nothing happens.
How very inappropriate, thank you.
Hello there, children!
That's the sound of the police!
Goodbye.
What's going on here then? Nothing.
Oh, well, that's nothing to worry about.
No, it is something to worry about.
What is?
Nothing.
Hey, wait a minute, you cheated.
Don't make me laugh.
You wouldn't like me when I
Laugh.
Baba Booey.
Lick and stick. Lick and stick. Lick and stick.
Roses are blue, violets are red.
It's snowing on Mount Fuji.
I'll kill you! I can help you with the organization. It'll be fun. Hey!
Pinhead!
Who you calling Pinhead?
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, you're disturbing us. We play soccer with everybody, so you mustn't keep the ball only for yourself.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Do as I command!
Okay, jeez.
Hey, you!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Those are highly inappropriate.
If you're making one wrong move,
I will eat you.
you old dictator! Big round of applause for
The unbelievable.
Oh my god! Shut up!
Here he comes, he shoots us in his hole!
What the?
Well, what do we have here?
No contest.
You old dictator.